Hello, this is Marl Unahan. Today I'm going to teach you on how to use a Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processing program, and basically you can write and store your text within the program. It proves to be an excellent tool for text processing, from a simple note to a complex report with images, graphs, and tables. It's important to know how to perform basic tasks with text when working in a word processing application. In this tutorial, you will learn the basics of working with the text. So I'll be using Microsoft Word 2010 since it's the only available version here in my laptop. First of all, you should know how to get started. And to open up the program, you can see it here. I've got my shortcut on my desktop. And if I didn't have it there, then I have to come down here, click the start button, and either type the name of the program, Microsoft. Then select the Microsoft Word 2010 and click. So once a new Microsoft Word document is ready, you can start composing your letter, report, essay, or etc. So to start building a document, begin by entering a text. So for example, I will type a name here. Then if you want to start a new paragraph, just press enter, then type again for another line of text. So now, if you want to save your document, just click the File tab located above the corner, then select the Save As. Then the Save As dialog box will appear, and then select the location where you want to save the document. So I will save my document here, the library documents. Then before saving it, name your file first. After that, click the Save. Then it shows down here that your file was saved. So in applying format on the text, sentence, or paragraph, for example, if you want to change the font size, just highlight the first word or the whole paragraph using your mouse. So position your cursor at the beginning of the text you want to highlight. Then press and hold the left button of the mouse, then drag the cursor to the end of the text and let go of the mouse button. And if you are not using your mouse, just press the shift key together with the right arrow key in your keyboard, or any arrow key, it depends where you want to highlight. So I am highlighting all the text using the shift key and down arrow key by holding it together. Then let go if all the texts are highlighted. So after that, click the drop down arrow next to the font size on the home tab. So you can see a number here. Click the drop down box. Then select the desired font size. So I'll choose 12. Alternatively, you can type the value you want. So here, then press enter on your keyboard. So we'll type 14 for the size, then enter. So if you want to change the font of the text, as you can see, the text is already highlighted, but if it's not, just highlight the text again. So click the drop down arrow next to the font box of the home tab. Then the various fonts will appear. Just select your desired font. So I will choose Arial. Then click. So if you want to change the font color, just click the font color drop down arrow besides the capital letter A on the home tab. Then click. The font colors menu appears. Then select the desired font color. Then click. So it's very simple. Now to use bold, italic, and underline command, just highlight first the text you want to modify. So this B will make your text bold. And this capital letter I will italicize your text. So it looks like this. And this capital letter U will underline your text. If you want to change the text case, or if you change your mind, you want the text to be all capital letters, so just highlight first the word or the text you want to change, then click the change case command in the font group on the home tab. Then select the desired case option from the list. So I will choose the uppercase since I want the word or text to be all capitalized. Then click. So to change the text alignment, we have four alignment options from the paragraph group on the home tab located here. So these four are the options. So this is the align text left, which aligns all the selected text to the left margin. And this is the center, which aligns your text an equal distance from the left and right margins. And this is the align text right, which aligns all selected text to the right margin. And this is justify. It aligns your text quality on both sides and lines up equally to the right and left margin. So just click your desired text alignment. So if you want to organize and present a data, it's time to add tables on your document. To insert a table, just place your insertion point in the document where you want the table to appear. Then select the Insert tab located above. So as you can see, there is a table here. Just click the arrow. Then hover your mouse over the diagram squares to select the number of columns and rows in the table. So click and then the tables appears in that document. And now you can add text to the table. So for example, and if you want to convert the existing text to the table, just highlight the text that you want to convert in the table and then select the Insert tab located above and click the table command. Then select the Convert Text to Table from the menu. Then a dialog box will appear. So choose one of the options in the Separate Text as section. Then click OK. Then the text appears in the table. So just like this. If you want to add a row above or below the existing row, just place the insertion point in a row below or above the location where you want to add a row. Then right click the mouse, a menu appears, then select Insert, then click the Insert rows above or below whatever you want. Then a new row appears above or below the insertion point. And if you want to add a column, just place the insertion point in a column. Then right click, select the insert, then choose if you want to insert columns to the left or to the right. So I will choose to the left. Then it look like this. If you want to delete a row or a column, just select the row or column. Then right click the mouse. A menu will appear and select delete cells. So select the delete entire row or delete entire column, then click OK. So I will delete the entire row. Now it already removed. If you want to add style in your table, just click anywhere on the tables. Then the design tab will appear. on the ribbon. Then select the Design tab and locate the table styles. So here are the table styles. And if you want more design, just click the more drop down arrow to see all the table styles. Hover your mouse over the various styles to see a live preview. Then select your desired style. So I will choose this. So you can see, you already added styles to your table. And if you want to add pictures to your document, so if you want to illustrate important information or add decorative accent to existing text, so you can insert images from your computer. So to insert a picture from a file, just place your insertion point where you want the image to appear. Then select the Insert tab, click the Picture command. Then the Insert Picture dialog box will appear. So I will choose pictures from my file. Then click the Insert. Then the image that you choose now appeared on your document. And if you want to resize the image, just click and drag one of the corner sizing handles. So these are the sizing handles. So just drag one. Then the image will change its size while keeping the same proportions. So if you want to stretch it horizontally or vertically, you can use the side sizing handle. So these sides are the sizing handles. Say I will stretch it then or vertically. If you want to add chart on your document, so when you insert a chart into a document created in Microsoft Word 2010, a sample chart is embedded in the document. So the data used to plot that sample chart is stored in an Excel worksheet that is associated with the Word file. So you have full access to the same powerful charting features as you do in Excel and PowerPoint. So there is no need to create a chart in Excel and then import it to the Word because the capabilities are the same. So here are the steps. On the Insert tab, click Chart. Then the Insert Chart dialog box opens. In the left pane, click the desired chart type. So if you want this or this, so for example, then click the OK. As you can see, the Microsoft Excel opens, displaying a sheet containing dummy data for the chart. So if you want to change the data, just edit both the numbers and the labels. So you can insert or delete rows and columns as needed to. Then the chart automatically reflects them. So what you have edited here will reflect here in the document. If you want to make standard documents such as resume, letter, newsletter, or etc., there are available templates in Microsoft Word that can help you to create more professional and visually appealing document. So to insert a template, just click the File tab to go to the Backstage view, then select New, then the new document pane appears. Click Samples Templates to choose built-in template. Then select the desired template. So I will Since I want to make for example, I want to make a resume, so I will choose this. Then click the create. So this is the template. Then a new document will appear using the template that I have selected. To insert text into a template, so templates include placeholder text that is surrounded by brackets. So as you can see, to personalize your document, so you'll need to replace the placeholder text with your own text. So just click the text that you want to replace, then the text will appear highlighted and a template tag will appear. So enter some text, then it will replace the placeholder text. So for example, so as you can see, it replaced the placeholder text. So that's all. I hope you learned all the basics guides in using Microsoft Word Office from this video so that you can create your own document.
In this beginner's guide, you will learn step by step how to make a PowerPoint presentation. While PowerPoint is designed to be intuitive and accessible, it can be overwhelming if you never gotten any training. In this video, you will learn how to make a basic PowerPoint presentation. So the first thing you need to do is to click the start button, type PowerPoint, then search. Then you can see now a blank slide. So let's start a blank presentation. First is type text into your title slide. It means the title of your topic. And as we can see, there's another box below. You can type here a short description about your topic. If you want your text more attractive, you can choose a font you like in Home tab. In this area, you select what font style you want. And if you want to adjust your font size, you can also change it here. So after you create your title, you will now add another blank slide for your topic. You just click the top portion, click new slide, then you will see another slide. There you are, you can type your topic here. After that, you can now save your file. Just place the pointer in the file, click the right button, click save as, name your file first, and then save.
So now let's learn how to insert objects, pictures, graphics, charts, audio, and video to create effective presentation. So first, we will learn how to insert objects. So we will go to the Insert tab, click the Insert tab, and then click Shapes, then choose any objects or shapes you want to insert. Like for example, the stars. So let's drag the stars, and you can adjust your objects by dragging the corners And then if you want your objects to be more colorful or presentable, we will just uh, click the shape fill, then choose any colors. So that's how we insert objects. So next part is we will learn how to insert pictures. So let's go to the other slides, and then we will click the picture in the insert tab. Or if you have internet connection, you will just search pictures, online pictures by other versions of the PowerPoint. But now we will choose pictures from your saved galleries. So for example, we'll choose this picture, then click insert, and the picture will display in your slides. So it's depend um, how you use your pictures or how you create your pictures more presentable. So that is how we insert pictures. Now, let's go to graphics. So let's click new slides, and then let's go to the insert tab and click the smart app. So you see there are lots of objects that is shown in the list, but they will just choose one of them. So let's, for example, this one. So let's click OK, and we'll just type text. So that is how we insert graphs. Next is how we insert charts. So let's go first. Let's click new slides and go to the insert tab and click the chart. So you'll just choose one of them. For example, this one. So click OK. So the charts will show like this. So you can just type here, for example, the category one, you just type any word. So let's click the add title, and we'll just insert any title for your charts. So that is how we insert charts. Let's move to audio. So let's click New Slides and insert. Click Insert tab and then let's click Audio, and if you have already saved file for audio, so click Audio from File. Let's say for example, you will put any music or background music. So for example, it's this one. So we'll just insert the audio and it will show like this. So if you click the play, so it will play. So in your presentation, it is very useful if you have audios from your presentations, and it gives more color to your. The next is how we uh, insert video. So go to the insert tab, then click the video from file, or if you have saved videos in your save gallery, you can choose any of them. So now we will choose this one, the wildlife. So let's click insert, and then the video will show in your presentation. So while you are presented, while you are reporting, so you can play your videos to support your content, or to your report. So next, we will move to the topic of Stella.
For this tutorial presentation, I'll show you how to use available templates to enhance your presentation. So first thing to do is select File. Under the new file, you can use the available templates or you can customize the templates if you want. So for this presentation, we will be using the available templates. Select the templates to see a preview kit, then click Create. The template is applied to the blank presentation. If you don't have existing slides to import, simply begin creating slides in your new file. If you have existing slides that you want to apply the templates to see the next section, apply the templates to existing slide. If you want existing slides, import them to the new file you created above. And let's save the file. Click the file and click Save As, and then name the file and click Save. After saving the file, applying sample templates will be easier in making PowerPoint presentation because it helps you to create quickly and not time. That's all for today's presentation. I hope you learned, and now you can start creating your own presentation. Thank you.